today we'll talk about how can you face this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In here you're looking for Airbnb app, so you just click on it here, then you click here on search, then here add Airbnb here it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again. So then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.